signs of vitamin D deficiency you shouldn't ignore. Most people with low vitamin D have no idea they're deficient. Why? Because the early symptoms are so subtle, they're easy to blame on just aging. But here is what you need to look out for: constant fatigue, even after 8 hours of sleep, muscle weakness or cramps, especially in your legs, bone pain in your lower back or hips, mood swings, or even symptoms of mild depression. And one of the most telling signs, you keep getting sick, cold after cold, flu after flu, even in summer, if you're over 60. And nodding to any of these, your body might be screaming for vitamin D, and you just haven't heard it yet